Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to completely disable notification on your Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to open the browser on your PC. After opening, in the top right side corner you can get three dots, just click on it, and from here you need to open the settings. In the settings guys, from the left panel, open the privacy and security option, and in the right panel, scroll down, open the site settings. Okay, like this, and then scroll down here. You can get the option notifications. Just click and open it. Now, if you want to completely block the notification on your browser, you need to select "Don't allow site to send notification," or if you want to block any particular website notification on your browser, just slightly scroll down here. You can get your most recently used website. If you want to block, just click on three dots and click on remove. That's it, like this. Or if you want to add any other website, just click on add button, and here enter the website URL. You can also copy paste the website URL and then click on add. That's it. So from here guys, you can easily able to completely block the notifications from the Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. The short simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.